Putin for the fifth time as president of Russia. Yes, that's the daily news for today. Hi everyone, welcome back with the third puzzle, the third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Tuesday, May the 7th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. And one puzzle is left, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And there's not so good news today because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So only these three regular puzzles. And this will be number 8495. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, 16. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So maybe it's a 1 star or 2 stars puzzle. 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 2 stars, well, 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Is this a 1 star, 2 star, or 3 stars puzzle? For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars, rather a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes here. How about dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. I see here dual box. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then here another one, 1 and 2. Let me mark those. Then here another dual box, 1 and a 2. Well, this box can be 2. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple box? I see here only 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, I do not know in which order. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. Then the following following a question. We have here quadra boxes. I see here a quadra box, there a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. How about here? These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember. Oh, and the T shape. We have a T shape here. Yep, this T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, the T shape. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? The L shape. Yeah, the L shape. Let me place it here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Well, it can be a 2. We have a 2 there, so this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Here, another L shape. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Oh, I overlooked this quadra box. Well, overlooked. 1, 2, and this is number 3. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2, so 1 box left on 2 should be there. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, the next shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's 2 here. Alright. Okay. The final shape here. We have the final shape here. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's the 1 or a 2 here. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, and also this box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. Then. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay, that means that this box cannot be 3 or a 4. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Same for the 4. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 1. This box cannot be a 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 1. This box is connected with that box, so 3 or a 4. Alright. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. This box can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 4. Alright, this box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes at there. This box can be 2, this box can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes at there. 3 and 4, need to wait. 3 and 4, need to wait. 3 and 1. Oh. Then. This box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in, a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 1. Well, this box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. No 4 here. 4, 4. Let me think. Come on. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5. So the 5 goes to get... Oh, no. In the quadra box, there's no 5 in the quadra box. Almost made a mistake. I need a 3 here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. Is connected with that box should be so 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 1. Let me mark those. Is connected with that box should be so 1 and a 4. And I need a 3 here. Yep. Need a 3 in a T shape. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1 or a 4. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. And this one is connected with that box, should be also 4. So I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 3. Okay, 3 and 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes in there. Then the 3 and the 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 4 or a 5 here. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. I've marked this box with 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in the T-shaped area, so this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be there. I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 3 and the 4. Now, well, this box should be a 3 then. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 3 and a 1, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13, 14 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.